Video for all of my QBS classes, and I just want to help a little bit with making sure we're seeing grades and making sure you're following up if something is not done correctly. So first of all, you'll really help yourself a lot if you're always working from modules. Modules is how I see something. So when you go to modules, it's always going to take you where you are, and it's always going to, you can really use these things to help yourself, like this needs to be viewed. So the reason I can't go on is because I, as the student, haven't clicked on this. So the AP agreement, it says I need to submit something, and I haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna upload something, and I'm just gonna make up some stuff here, all right? I'm not really turning anything in, but just so you can see what happens, right? I upload any document, and I'm gonna submit it. And so now I just put my daughter's German in there, right? So it's there, and I can click to next, and I'm gonna watch this video, and I can go next, right? I needed to view the resources, so I can click next. The pacing chart I just need to view, so I can click next. Obviously, I want you to look at these things, right? Again, I need to upload these agreements, and most of you are doing just fine with this. But I'm going to put the German in there again for those agreements. I'm going to submit it, and then we can see, we're going to go back to modules to just see, look, all of that stuff got marked done. Okay, and so submitted, viewed, submitted. I didn't score at least. I'm curious as to which of these things. I guess I didn't actually do this yet, so I'm going to begin the quiz. Always takes longer than it should. It's only one question. All right, so I put in an answer. And the reason this went out of order is I put the grade in thinking that that would be enough, but I obviously need to do this. So I'm going to return. And now when I'm on modules, I didn't submit this. All right, so I need to submit this one. This is the last one. All right. Now we should be good. So you see, it won't let us ever mess up because it's set to be. Now when I'm back in modules, I have all of the welcome module done, and the next one opens for me. Okay, and the other thing I want to show you, so work from modules. A lot of people come to this home page and they go to this to-do list and they get very confused. All right, the to-do list works with the calendar, but if you go to modules, it's going to really help you stay and work in order. The other thing I want to show you is, you notice there's when I've graded something, this lights up here. It gives you a number of how many things have been graded, and you can always go to your grades, right? It'll let you know if something is missing, and then you'll see, so done, 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 but here there's an X. And when you see an X, it's going to tell you what you need to do. So you can click on it, and it's going to tell you, oh, I didn't make a video, so I need to make that video, right? And when you do that and I grade it, then this is going to not be an X anymore, it's going to be a check. So you're going to either see points for assignments, you're going to see checks for assignments, or X's. And it's very important that you frequently, when you see that, when you come to the home page and there's nothing that's been graded, then you won't see anything here, and you'll know that you don't need to keep working on something. All right, I hope that helps you a little bit extra with the course page. Keep sending me your questions.